Assalamu alaikum. And I will start off by, first of all, saying my deepest condolences to all of you, and certainly to Manir's family, and I'll say international friends and colleagues around the world. Consul General Butt, and certainly other distinguished guests. I'm honored to be here and just to say a few words to a good friend, Manir. I have to say I was always impressed with his credentials, the amazing success that he had in Pakistan, in the financial industry, as an advisor to the Pakistani government, and really his global reach. I know to many he was sometimes an advisor, sometimes a mentor, and certainly a business partner as well. And I say that, and I know there was reference that we honored him at the Markham Civic Center, and we did. But I have to say it was truly an honor for us to welcome him at the seat of government in the city of Markham. To understand the impact that he had, not only in Pakistan, here in Canada, and around the world, it was an honor for us to welcome him and to recognize his success and achievement. And the other thing that I will say is that every time I met Manir, whether it was in the proper protocol within our city hall, whether it was casually in a boardroom, welcoming him to Markham and having a chance to chat, whether it was at a very comfortable reception where little business was talked about. What always impressed me was someone who was so engaged and so involved, was very focused on the person he was speaking to. Now, when you think of how busy our lives are and all the things that we have to think about on a day-to-day basis, to see someone of his stature take that time, take that moment, and be totally focused on the person that he was speaking to, I think that speaks to the very heart of who Manir was. But it didn't end there. He could walk into any room, government, business, perhaps even what some may consider the elite in society. And yet, no matter who was talking to him, and if he heard your story, he would celebrate the success that you had. Again, someone of his stature appreciating that when someone reaches any success in life, that it does not come easy. It takes work, it takes commitment, and perhaps no one better understood that than Manir. So to have such an amazing, talented person, someone who is an outstanding business person, someone who could write books and teach us and mentor through his writings, to be so humble every time we met him, I think is really a legacy that he's left for all of us. For all the success we might think we have, for all the great things we think we may have done, let us remember that what unites us is that ability to connect to one another. That was his gift, and to be able to share the knowledge, to be able to share the advice, and to be able to take time with one another, I think that will live with us forever because we knew Manir. My condolences to each and every one of you, and I feel very honored to have met such an amazing man, and I know the Pakistani community is proud, and they should be, because he truly was an outstanding leader and a wonderful humanitarian.
Irfan Baba Malik from Counter 360.